Hi guys, so today we're gonna making a box squishy. Let's start. So to make the squishy we need a paper, pencil, scale, black pen, colors, tape and last scissor. For the drawing I'm taking my melody picture. So you can trace the picture or you can draw it. So I'm gonna trace it. So I have done the drawing. So now I will trace it. Sketch pen. Now I will do the yellow color. Now blue color for the bow. Now I will do the same. I will do pink. So now we will make it in a box. If you want to make this, you can make it, it's your choice. So now we will cut this template. Now we will cut this template. So now we will put tape. After taping, we have to fold the template. Like this. After folding, put tape and fold like this all over. Now we have to put tape here and join. Then we have to put the cotton, or you can also put plastic. Now tape it. It's done. So guys, I have more box squishies. Bye!